Assalamu alaikum. Ji, welcome to Recipe Lounge and Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for joining us today for another easy recipe. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's start cooking. So let's see what ingredients we need to for this recipe. Okay, so we got half a cup of oil, आधा cup oil का olive oil, a small onion, a small orange, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of honey, or a teaspoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Got 1 tin of Miranda orange flavored, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of coconut vinegar. We also got 1 kilo of whole chicken. So let's see what we're going to do. I'm going to just wash this, make sure it's very clean. It's already been washed, but I'll just give it another wash. तो चिकन को हमने वॉश कर लिया, उसके बाद हम ये जो सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं इनको मिक्स कर लेंगे. आप अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से कम और ज़्यादा भी डाल सकते हैं, मगर दिस इज़ राइट फॉर 1 किलो ऑफ चिकन. इसको अच्छी तरह मिक्स कर लें और इसमें हम ये हनी भी डाल देते हैं. तो ये मैरिनेड है फॉर द चिकन. तो ये चिकन को हमने अच्छी तरह वॉश कर लिया है. अब ये जो हमने मैरिनेशन बनाई है ये इसके ऊपर अप्लाई करेंगे ऐसे. तो ओवन को हमने ऑन कर दिया आधा घंटा पहले. तो आपने मीडियम सी हीट पे यानी कि 150 की हीट पे इसको बनाना है. तकरीबन 1 घंटा लगेगा क्योंकि ये अभी छोटी है. अगर इससे बड़ी चिकन हो तो तकरीबन 1.5 आवर लगते हैं. तो अच्छी तरह इसके जो हर जगह पे ये अपने मैरिनेशन जो है वो लगानी है. So, for those of you who don't understand the language, I get told you only speak in your language. I'm just saying that I've mixed all the ingredients together. I'm just applying it on the chicken like this. And also I'm going to try and get inside the skin with your finger, like so. And once you've done that, it's quite easy. I mean, once you push it in, it's just, you know, look. With your finger you can do that, and then you put you know, apply this oil paste as much as you possibly can get in there. And some inside the legs. Turn it over from the next side, do the same again. And don't worry if you can't get in, you know, you're still going to have plenty of flavour because you already going to put some inside. I hope you can see this, yeah. Coat it really well so that's it's all in there, like so. The onion I'm going to put in the neck inside the chicken like so, and the orange I'm going to put it inside the neck area. If it's too big, you can always get a smaller one. But the aim is not to have a too small, so that you know, when you put it on the tin, it can breathe. So next we're going to take the tin of this fizzy drink. You can have your choice, you know, you can have lemonade if you like. And we're going to just pour half out. We only need about half. This happens sometimes. I'm going to carry on. So I've got the chicken sitting like this. I don't know if you can see. Let me, on the tin. Half of the juice is still in there in the tin. And I'm going to put it in the oven now for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to check every 15 minutes. हर 15-20 मिनट बाद मैं इसे चेक करूँगी और तकरीबन 45 to 1 hour लगेंगे इसको बनते हुए. तो ये 10-15 मिनट बाद हमने निकाल ली है. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि थोड़ी सी रेड वगैरह हो रही है. तो अभी इसमें हम थोड़ा सा जो मैरिनेशन है वो दोबारा लगा देंगे ताकि ये ड्राई ना हो. तो ऐसे ही हम इसके पैक पे भी लगा देंगे. तो ये देखिए कितनी अच्छे तरीके से हो रही है. Don't know if you can hear. Still in the oven. So let's see. तो ये देखिए इसका कलर. I don't know if you can see. It's all golden. I think that's from the orange and the orange juice. Miranda. So very nice. I think I'm going to leave it for another. It's only been about half an hour. But it's roasting away very nicely. So the chicken is almost done. I'm just going to give it another 5 minutes. But look at that. Isn't it nice? Beautiful golden colour on this. तो ये देखिए अभी निकाल ली है ओवन से चिकन. तो इसका कलर देखिए कितनी अच्छे तरीके से ये बनी है. और इसके जो जूस था उसका कलर इसको मिला है, तो इसका टेस्ट बहुत ही अच्छा बनता है. तो ये देखें बैक से भी कितनी अच्छे तरीके से बन गई है. It looks absolutely really good. तो प्लीज़ ट्राई ज़रूर कीजिएगा. और बहुत इजी और बहुत मज़ेदार रेसिपी बनती है. तो इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक. तो ये देखें कितनी ईज़िली ये कट हो सकती है. रियली रियली टेंडर. तो इसका मीट ये देखें. Absolutely, the skin is brilliant. So please do try this recipe. It's amazing. And honestly, it really is good. You can have it in your sandwich, you can have it in your dinner, and the flavors are amazing. Wow. Thank you for watching, and do let me know if you make it, how it turned out for you. You can add more spices if you want, but for me this was just perfect. Thank you very much. Bye.